Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily rename a layer you have created. To rename a layer, double-click the name of the layer to rename within the Layers panel. Then type a new name for the layer into the Layer Name text box shown for the layer in the Layers panel, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to set the new name. To delete a layer you have created, select the layer to delete within the Layers panel, and then click the Delete Layer button, which looks like a trash can icon in the upper right corner of the Layers panel. Note that you cannot delete layers that have all of the pixels locked within the Layers panel unless you first remove the associated pixel lock from the layer by selecting it and then clicking the Lock All Pixels button again to remove the lock from the layer. After you click the Delete Layer button, you will need to confirm that you want to delete the selected layers in a pop-up message box that appears. Click Yes to delete the layers or No to cancel. If you do not want to be prompted by the dialog box, you can simply click and drag the layer to delete from the Layers panel onto the trash can icon to delete the layers without triggering a prompt. Also note that the History panel can undo mistakes that can occur if you delete the wrong layer by accident.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.